Mechtronix specializes in the design and manufacturing of flight simulators. Unlike competitors that use actual hardware deployed in planes, Mechtronix relies primarily on software to replicate aircraft behavior. This dramatically reduces costs while setting new standards for fidelity, reliability, and safety.
The simulator is really designed and mandated to be a tool used by the aviation industry for keeping competencies in the pilots and also practicing the things that most pilots will never see. You can't fail an engine on takeoff, an hydraulic leak, and other malfunctions in an aircraft. You have to do that in a simulator. I think the technology that we use that in fact our competitors don't have, which gives us an advantage, is we have this modular approach to designing simulators. And this gives us an infrastructure that allows us to customize, to build specific aircraft types. And the interesting thing is that the design approach that we have is exactly the way the QNX operating system is designed as well. It's made of a central core that's very strong, and it's very easy to connect the modules onto that core, and those modules can be reused. And this is the way we build simulators. We have a box that's used in this aircraft and that aircraft. We have a simulation solution that plugs in and it just works reliably, and we get the same results every time.
Modern aircraft can have countless hardware and software connections, like the latest Airbus with close to 500 million. To imitate this complexity, a Mechtronix simulator must handle multiple concurrent tasks with split-second responsiveness.
Simulating the behavior of the aircraft and to the fidelity that we do is quite complex. There's dozens and dozens of avionics computers running. There's systems running that have to be modeled to a very, very precise level. And there's thousands or millions of I/O points that have to be transferred. And this all is happening in parallel in the airplane that we have to reproduce exactly and precisely. So what QNX gives us in our simulators, in fact, we can design a module with lots and lots of pieces, software pieces running together, but the split-second response time we get out of those modules is very precise and very reliable. In the aviation business, which is very regulated, we have to actually get our simulators certified with the local aviation authority. That certification process involves going through hundreds of tests that's checking all the different characteristics of the simulator, and in fact it's tested against real live flight data. The ultimate benefit to Mechtronix using QNX is we have a standard platform. It works reliably, it works deterministically, it works on multiple platforms, it works on multiple cores. It just works, which makes our job that much easier.